Hi everyone, we are Burnt Finance, the first decentralized auction protocol in Solana. This all began a few months ago when we purchased a Banksy from an art gallery. We burned the original, we sold the digitalized version as an NFT on OpenSea. And with that, we realized a few problems. First of all, it's an immense barrier to entry for creators. There are very high fees and very expensive transaction costs, making it very unfavorable for small players. In addition to an overall shifting consumer sentiment towards populism, of course, a broader creator economy, and really an overall lack of trust in centralized powers. So Burn Finance, we are a fully decentralized auction protocol, meaning there is no central clearinghouse. We do take on-chain anti-fraud measurements, sub 1% fees with limitless auctions, formats, and limitless assets. And so by utilizing a decentralized bidding mechanism, this is effectively how we're going to do this, in addition to redefining on-chain collections by making a collection an asset on-chain itself, and in the metadata of an NFT, having this verification of the signature and the combination of hashes. That being said, the token utility is really what allows us to reach 0% fees. And so in order to pay 0% fees on the platform, essentially a user who holds over 40,000 burn tokens may do so. That being said, as we start to expand, of course, natively, we're going to be building on different layer ones, such as Polkadot, Polygon, and Terra. And then, of course, as a proper cross-chain bridge comes to fruition, we'll be then utilizing that. Right now, we are currently in a live testnet. We have 113,000 on the waiting list, 50,000 across all socials and immense media transaction from, the Banksy artwork to Burnt Finance itself, from TechCrunch to CBS to Forbes, all the way over to, the block. That being said, right now, again, we are in testnet, launching mainnet in about 2 weeks, comprising of English, Dutch, and buy now auctions as we then move forward. A launching of the official DAO governance, expanding into the chains we talked about earlier, launching, of course, liquidity mining and staking incentives, and iterating on new auctions. And that being said, even moving forward on that, we do see ourselves as a hub and more of a community as the aspect, allowing people to interact with DeFi products such as lending fractionalization and more of our GameFi initiatives until, of course, we become this all-encompassing cross-chain decentralized auction protocol for digital and tangible assets. A little while back, we have some amazing supporters that we were so happy to be working with: Multicoin Capital, Alameda from our first round, along with the Solana grant, DeFi, Defiance, Hobie, Mechanism, Spartan, Hashkey, Doe from Terra, Sandy from Polygon, Tosh from Alpha Finance, Eric from Parity. Just showing the demo. Again, this is live. I am going to kind of truncate this just for the sake of the demo. That being said, just very quickly, the ability to mint an NFT, the description, the best demo day from the best accelerator, of course not biased at all, but then the ability to add properties, collections as you so fit. Again, this process normally does take about a minute, just going to be truncating it for the sake of the demo. With that being said, kind of this aspect allows you to put it right on sale. So we do have right now set price, which is a buy now, highest bid, which is, of course, an English auction. And then within the set price functionalities, Dutch auction will be coming this week to the live testnet, as a buy now function is essentially a iteration of our Dutch auction. So just showed you what it was like to make a set price auction. This is what it is to do an English auction. Very simple, can effectively done in seconds. Great. And so kind of as we start looking for this is effectively from the other side, looking for art to buy. Here's my Sydney, quick bid on that, makes it very easy. And then buying, of course, the best NFT, looking at more you may like. Here we are. Thank you. Really appreciate the time. Happy to answer any questions that anyone might have.